This is State Representative Bobby Franklin on Wednesday, the 25th day of March in the year of our Lord, 2009. Yesterday, a subcommittee of the House Banks and Banking Committee held a hearing on House Bill 430, the Constitutional Tender Act. The great news is that numerous private citizens from around the state and even an expert in fiat money from Tennessee came and spoke in favor of the bill, each addressing a different aspect of why we need to pass the Constitutional Tender Act. On the other side of the argument were the paid lobbyists for the banking industry, speaking against it. Their primary arguments were that the Constitutional Tender Act, using nothing but gold or silver coin in tender of payment of debt, would be cumbersome, that would increase costs to the banks, it would change the way they do business, etc., etc. Well, an interesting aspect of their argument was that each of the banking lobbyists that spoke against the bill started out by saying something to the effect that, well, I'm not a constitutional scholar, so I'm not going to address that. But then they went on and talked about the different federal laws dealing with legal tender. They lost a lot of credibility with the members of the committee with this doublespeak. They're not legal experts, but then they were trying to be legal experts at the same time. The committee members saw through that and they lost a lot of credibility. An interesting aspect occurred after the meeting was over when I spoke to someone who left during the meeting, and he said, "Bobby, you know as well as I do that this bill's not going anywhere." Well, sad to say, he might be right and probably will be. And the sad reason is that most legislation does not move anywhere unless a lobbyist has ponied up a lot of money in campaign contributions in advance, has fed the legislator during the session with expensive steak dinners, expensive bottles of wine, and leggy blondes. Now, the only way to counteract that is with massive grassroots support. So there is hope that this bill can pass. An interesting thing that I did tell this person was, I asked him, now if one of your banks were to loan someone $10,000 at 5% interest for 1 year, how much did that bank make? And he immediately said $500. And I said, no, that's not right. What they made was $10,500. The $10,000 that they loaned was created out of nothing. So when they got it back, they actually made that as well. And that's really their issue. They will not be able to create gold and silver out of nothing. That's the opposition from the banks. So on today, until next time, this is State Representative Bobby Franklin.